And let me show you what you get in ThisWorx vacuum cleaner. This is a corded vacuum cleaner with accessory kit. So it comes with this awesome bag. We're gonna open it up. Thanks a lot to Thrasio for the free product. First, we've got a flexible hose. Flexible hose with 2 nozzles. That one will connect to the vacuum one that's for the car. You get an extra filter, which is awesome. Okay, the vacuum itself, I'll show that in a second. An extra extension nozzle right here. Boom. Okay, and then you get a air freshener, comes with it. A nozzle brush, so you can brush up any dirt and then it sucks up. As well as a filter cleaner. Okay, so once this filter gets really dirty, you can clean this out. So that's awesome. Press this button right here to replace the filter. There we go. So you pull that out. And that's how you replace that. And then a 16-foot cord. So now let's go see how it works in the car and how much suction it has. Okay, so here we go. They say in the directions that you should turn your key on and turn the car on. Well, let's check out this suction power. I don't know if it'll be too loud for the mic, but anyway, that's what it sounds like. And seems like it has pretty good suction. On here and see if we can get the gas up. And it works pretty good. Yeah, you can see there's grass in there. Okay, so the 2 different attachments, you've got a brush and just a sucking attachment. Let's put that in here. In those hard to reach spots. And what I like about this is this cord is super long. Actually bring it to the back. Now in this Yukon I've got a lot of cracks, so this is great to have this type of attachment right here to get in these cracks. Sucked up a rubber band. That even works good. You can see it right there and see what kind of stuff it pulls up. Driver's seat's where you're going to have most of the dirt, but I'm not actually too dirty right now, but let's go. Out of your carpet. Yeah, it works good. Let's do a little test to see what we actually picked up. So pretty easy to take it off. Just press that button there. There's your motor. And let's see what kind of treasures we get. Yep, definitely worked. So even though the car didn't look too dirty, this is still what was being picked up. So I do have a puppy that likes to jump in and go for a ride every once in a while, but it definitely picked up a lot in that short amount of time. There's the filter. That's what that looks like, and you can easily clean these off. So now I'm just gonna suck this back up and we're good to go. And there you go. This definitely works good. This works for sure. This car vacuum. Definitely recommend this, so you should check it out. I like the long cord. That's one good option that you can pretty much reach anywhere you want to in a car, even a big Yukon like this. But anyway, it works good. Definitely highly recommend and check it out.